Sproutlets. Did you have fun on our birthday adventure? Me too. Birthdays are always fun when friends are around. Remember, birthday in Spanish is cumpleaños. Star's already sleeping. I think he's dreaming about birthday candles. Nighty-night, Star. And now it's time to make our special nighttime wish, to hush the fish. Do you have a wish you want to make? Let's make our wishes together. I'm going to use sign language while I say our poem. Remember, sign language is a real language where you use your hands to communicate. Ready? Great. Hush, hush, little fish. We are here to make a wish. We close our eyes, then we start to make a wish with all our heart. Tonight, I wish for you a cozy sleep full of happy dreams, so that when you wake tomorrow, you'll be feeling ready for a new adventure. Good night, Hush. Good night, Sproutlets. Hey, okay, we had another fantastic day, but now it's time to say good night. 'Cause we've got places to go, bubbles to blow, stories to share, and dreams to grow. So good night.